Hello guys, welcome back. So now here in this session, once again, basic setting, and in that, like in previous session, what I have done, posting period variant I have explained, right? So now here practically we'll see how the posting period variant we are going to set up into SAP. So for that, as usual, once again we have to log into SAP, guys. So just log into SAP first, and then we'll see how we are going to how the posting period variant is going to be set up. So now let me try. So here, how to set a posting period variant, guys? Already in this PPT, the transaction code is specified, that is OBBO. First of all, with the help of OBBO, we are going to create our posting period variant. Click on new entry, and let's suppose I'm going to, so which code? TPPV. And here I'm going to give our descriptions, okay, and save it, Control S. So once again, if you're going to save, system is going to ask like, would you like to save this changes on this transport request? Yes, on this transport request itself, just press enter. Now, so what we have done, we have created a posting period variant. What next, guys? So this posting period variant I have created for Tata Motor, right? How SAP will come to know? So assignment is also required. So now, since from one screen to other screen you have to jump, give /n and then followed by next transaction code, that is OBBP, right? OBBO and then OBBP for assignment. So here you need to click on position and find out our company code. So our company code is TM00, and against this TM00, which variant I have created? So TPPV I have created. Save it, Control S. So now what we have done, guys, we have created this posting period variant and we have assigned also. What next, guys? So the next one is open and close the period. Open and close the period. So how it is going to happen? For that, you have to use a different transaction code that is called OB52 /n OB52. Okay, by which the transaction is going to be OB52. I have given double B. OB52 is the it's very famous transaction code, guys. Most likely it will be there at the tip of your tongue, so don't worry about this transaction codes and all. Okay, so OB52 we are going to use here. What you need to do, guys, now here multiple variants are there, so I'll just tell you what to do. I'll tell you what to do. Simply you need to select here 0001 selected, and then click on copy. Okay, and then after, what you have to do, guys, so here we are going to give our code like TM00 and then from period. Okay, so from period and to period, look at here, we are having like period 1, then period 2, and authorization group is also there, right? So here from period, you just give whatever the current period is there. Let's suppose I'm going to give here and then year, and right now also 7th, right? So later on what will happen, guys, if let's suppose I'm going to post a transactions after a few configurations, let's suppose. So at that point of time, what will happen? So once I post the transaction, and let's suppose the 7th month is already over, so while posting the transaction, system is going to throw error, right? That will be there. So anyway, you just give 7th period only. So no, sorry, TM00 is not, guys, TPPV. This is our posting period variant, right? So give that. So this is what our posting period variant, right? Here we have given the from period means 7th period, and here also 7th period. Okay, now just save it once. So now here which period is open? Only 7th period is only open, right? 6th period, it means transaction posting is not possible in neither 6th period not in 8th period also, right? It means neither in past period nor in future period it is possible. No, not possible, right? Only in current period only will be possible. So once I have opened this 7th period, once we are going to proceed further, and once we perform the testing, in the sense like some transactions, once I post the transactions, of course you guys will see some posting period related issues also. I'll let you know then if you're going to receive this errors, then what to do. This is how you guys are going to have a perfect understanding. Okay, so this is how we are going to set up this posting period variant, guys. Okay, now, so that's all in this session, and in next session we are going to see fiscal year variant. That is also very important. Like each and everything is important, guys, in SAP. We need to understand the logic first, and then we'll see the configurations part. I'll tell you guys, configuration part, if you talk about the configurations, how much time it has taken, right? If I, like, let's suppose if I'm not going to explain the things and all, then hardly 2 minutes. 2 minutes is more than enough to set up this posting period variant and assignment and this open and close posting period, right? But if we talk about the explanations, it's going to take too much time, right? Explanation is taking time in the sense, like, first of all, because what for? We need to understand. See, I'll tell you guys, configuration doesn't matter. We need to understand, like, whatever activity we are performing, that is, like, what is the use of this one, right? What is the use of this one? That you need to know. If you know those things and all, it's easy to become a consultant. And if you don't know those things and all, then it's impossible to become a consultant, no matter whatever configurations or whatever expertise you are having, right? In the sense you become expert in terms of configuration also. Still, if you don't know the logic, then what is the use, right? Then of course it's very difficult to crack the interview, because interviewers will never ask the definitions and all, right? Interviewer will ask the, like, they will give you a scenario. They'll give you a scenario. So scenario means what, guys? Scenario based questions they are going to ask. Scenario based questions you can answer only, first of all, you need to understand the scenario, right? You can understand the scenario only if you're having perfect understanding about that particular topic, right? So that's what I'm saying, that concentrate on what to say, behind the logic and all. Don't go for blind configurations and all. This is not going to be helpful. So that's all in this session, guys. Next session I'm going to explain fiscal year variant. That is also going to be exclusive explanations. Each and every explanations, each and every topics are going to be quite exclusive, guys, right? So that's all in this session.